So this was £5 from the tip,
The top bit of wood was, yeah.
and you've just made the rest and put wheels on the bottom, nice and high for out here for catching the sun from up there. Amazing. Thank you very much. That's so great. I'm absolutely thrilled. Look at that. Does it wheel around okay? Have you tried it? Oh, all right, okay. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, amazing. They can actually go on the top, Simon. Thank you. I was going to put them the other way, to be honest, because I knocked them. That's so great. Can I get 2 on, or?
Yeah.
Is there another one in there? Those ranunculus need to come out, actually. Could swap those over. They can
Yeah,
go,
there's certainly scope to put
they can go back
slats
in.
across there. Just trying to emphasise this.
Brilliant. And then see those, they're desperate to come out. That's so fantastic. And it moves.
Yeah.
Do you want to just grab those 2? That's so fantastic.
It's reasonably stable. I mean, you could do with some cross members probably.
No, it's
At the back.
fantastic. Honestly, amazing.
That's all right.
It's so
So
great.
what coming out of these?
Yes, please. They need a bit of cold and TLC. I need to do them, sort them out. Perfect. Wow, very happy. Thank you.
It could do with some painting or something, protection, wood or something.
No, not just
Otherwise it will rot.
let it go silver like the fences. Here they come, babe. Here they come. Here they come.
I have got wood I can put on the bottom, but it's quite thick. It'll make it heavier. So see how you get on with it.
I love it. Why do we want to do anything else to? Here they are.
Well, it's all shout.
It's the
Until
lollipops.
you want more. Okay.
What were you thinking? What else were you thinking to do then? Si, what else were you thinking to do?
See the long tail tip?
I know. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, darling. It's so great. That's why I hung that there, so that if I'm doing stuff, I can just see the guys from the greenhouse. And this is their time, this time of day. They all just appear.